Welcome to our whiteboard tutorial on how wet/dry vacs work. Today, we'll explore the inner workings of these versatile cleaning tools. Wet/dry vacs are ingenious machines that can handle both liquid spills and dry debris. Let's start by understanding their basic components. At the heart of a wet/dry vac is an electric motor that powers the device. This motor generates suction, allowing the vac to pick up dirt and liquids. Slide the hose or nozzle attachment over the intake port to begin suction. The air, along with debris or liquid, is then drawn into the vac. Inside the vac, there's a separation mechanism called the dirt tank or holding tank. This tank separates the collected debris from the air. Now, you might be wondering what happens to the water you vacuum up. Well, don't worry. Wet/dry vacs feature a float mechanism that prevents water from reaching the motor. The float rises as the tank fills with liquid, signaling the vac to stop suction before the water can damage the motor. It's a simple yet effective safety feature. To remove dry debris or water from the tank, simply detach it. For dry use, you'll need the appropriate filter attached to the tank's exhaust port. On the other hand, when dealing with liquid, ensure the filter is removed or replaced with the proper liquid-specific filter to prevent clogs or damage. Wet/dry vacs often come with various attachments, including crevice tools and brushes, designed to clean different surfaces effectively. Some wet/dry vacs even have a feature called blowing. By reversing the airflow, you can use your vac to blow leaves, dust, or debris away. When using your wet/dry vac, be sure to follow safety guidelines, such as avoiding vacuuming flammable liquids, as these can pose serious risks. Regular maintenance is crucial to keeping your wet/dry vac in top shape. Empty the tank, clean the filters, and inspect the hose regularly for blockages. Remember, wet/dry vacs are powerful tools, so it's always a good idea to wear hearing protection when operating them for extended periods. With their ability to handle both wet and dry messes, wet/dry vacs have become essential in many homes, workshops, and even industrial settings. Not only can they tackle spills or floods, but wet/dry vacs can also be used as a versatile cleaning tool for a wide range of projects. So, whether you're cleaning up after a burst pipe, tackling a dusty construction site, or vacuuming your car, wet/dry vacs are here to make your life easier. Well, that brings us to the end of our tutorial on how wet/dry vacs work. We hope you now have a clear understanding of these handy machines. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or need more details, feel free to find more information on our site.